If you or someone you know has a disability or chronic illness and are unable to participate fully in your community, Center for Independence can help. Center for Independence is a community-based organization serving as a resource for people with disabilities who want to fully access and participate in the community. Our Pathways to Community Living program is to help people who are living in restrictive environments, such as nursing facilities or inaccessible housing units, to find accessible and affordable housing and live independently in the community.
Before I started working with CFI, I was in a nursing home. I was depressed. I didn't like it. I couldn't have my granddaughter spend the night with me. I find my experience working with CFI very satisfying because we talked about me becoming independent and living on my own, and they have helped me out a lot, and they would do the same for them.
For our participants to be successful, we really need them to participate. You have to be willing to take a look at the places that we find. Be patient, work with us. The more people are looking, the more places we might be able to find.
Once referred by a case manager by either Home and Community Services or Area Agency on Aging, we start with determining steps that will lead to a successful transition to your desired living situation. Next, you and CFI will start filling out applications while touring facilities and homes of your choosing. We also advocate for reasonable modifications or accommodations, such as ramps or grab bars, in order to make full use of your new living space.
I first heard about CFI from the social worker at the skilled nursing facility that I was staying at. I felt like I was basically in a prison. I mean, because I was supposed to be there 6 months, I was actually there a year and a half. The Center for Independence came along, and they helped me get out. They got me set up in life. I can get around inside with a four-wheel walker, but when I go outside, I have to use a motorized wheelchair. So I had to have a place that had a ramp or that I could get a ramp installed. So they installed one here through CFI, and that's how I accessed my front door. The whole place was made accessible for me. Living independently, successfully, for me, I clean up after myself. I sometimes don't clean up after myself, but I control what I do. Nobody else takes advantage of me. Nobody else is in control of what I do.
Once a housing solution is found, you and CFI will begin coordinating lease signings, move-in dates, and shop for essential home items, such as furniture and groceries, to ensure a seamless transition. In the last 2 years, CFI has successfully transitioned over 100 community members, where they have established successful, independent lives. As always, our services are free for individuals with disabilities living in Thurston, Pierce, South King, Snohomish, Skagit, Whatcom, Island, and San Juan counties. Since 1981, we have and will continue to work with you to break down barriers and stay connected with your community. We're stronger together. Visit us online at www.cfi-wa.org or give us a call at our Marysville location at 1-360-393-3890.